Welcome to my Opendoor video here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you how I'm getting out my money, out of this, ladies and gentlemen, negative money, and remaking it, ladies and gentlemen. Before we be positive, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at, here, ladies and gentlemen, started this on January 13th. We're down 1,376. January 16th, we're down 1,026. 20th, we're down 968. 26th, down 955. Made $1, we're down to 954, ladies and gentlemen. On Opendoor, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at what Opendoor did last week. Let's look at the weekly chart. 6 cents, and the market was bloody red from Monday through Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. That's a really good, ladies and gentlemen, for Opendoor to hang on here, ladies and gentlemen, like that. I do, average cost is $8. I would like to not to sell these till I get to $8, ladies and gentlemen. You know, this is totally different than what it is, ladies and gentlemen. If I sell no more 2,800 shares at $8. Calculator. 8 times 240. That's $19,020, ladies and gentlemen, of money, ladies and gentlemen. That would pay that off and raise up my money, ladies and gentlemen. Or we could do only $7. 7 times 2,400 is $16,800. But I'm going to try to get close to that $8, ladies and gentlemen, as I can. But we're going to look at the trades. Will it get me to $8 next week? All this could change before then, ladies and gentlemen. This will change $7. Make a penny. Do some. There is no $7.50. That'd be where I go. If there's an $8 and the market run up, I do maybe 4 here, ladies and gentlemen. That'll give me $3,000. $3,000. I could do more puts the following week if that could cover there. I mean, why? It's not. It's more probable to do the 750 than the 700, or the 650. You know, they're all penny. They're all penny. Why not go for the higher number here and get more upside? I'm looking for more upside. If I do get them 3 taken away at that price, sell the puts. And this is all change, ladies and gentlemen. You can make a lot more money on the put side. But this is all change before next week. I hope you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen, on Opendoor. This is how I'm getting my money out of it and try to raise more capital, or I could buy more, ladies and gentlemen. I like to sell maybe 3 and keep that 2,100. But when it does run to $8, 2,100 times $8. 2,100 times $8. That's $16,800 plus $750. Give me like $18,000, and that will erase that, ladies and gentlemen. Then I can start doing more puts and cover costs on understock, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen. It could not run that high, ladies and gentlemen, but like year to date, it's down $1 year to date. Let's get truth about it, ladies and gentlemen. And when is their earning report? Should be coming up February 19th. We got about 2 weeks for this come out here, ladies and gentlemen. Estimate is 10 cents. They were even on that one. They beat it that quarter. They've been beating every quarter. Can they keep doing that? Can it help the stock go up? We'll find out on earnings in 2 weeks. See you then. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen.